Hey, this is Sheetal and today's remedy is a wonderful remedy for oily/combination skin that might also tend to be acne prone. So before I get started, I'll say hit the bell icon, hit the subscribe button and talk to me in comments below. Alright, let's just get started with this very simple remedy. The first ingredient you need is Besan, which in English is called gram flour or chickpea flour. And you just need 1 tablespoonful of it. No more than that. Gram flour or Besan has some very decent, very amazing oil cutting properties, and that's why this ingredient has been used in Ayurveda for centuries to balance combination skin or oily skin or acne prone skin. Ingredient number 2 is haldi or turmeric, and of course I've said many times before and we all know that it's a very good skin evening ingredient. It has very good antioxidant properties as well as natural antiseptic, antibacterial properties, and it's used in the Ayurvedic Indian system so much in beauty care, so it's a wonderful ingredient. Ingredient number 3 is tomato or tomato, however you want to pronounce it. And if you're wondering why, for me the chief reason is that it is a source of naturally occurring sulfur, which deep cleans your pores. We just use enough so we can make a thick paste. I'm going to use my face mask brush. Before you use it, if you have any makeup on, then you want to wipe it off. So here we go. You should use this remedy, I want to say about 1 or 2 times a week, no more than that, that's plenty. You are going to leave it on your skin for about 10 or 15 minutes. It's going to dry in that period. And then you're going to wash your skin with lukewarm water. And do not forget, use your toner, serum and lotion. So I'm going to say check us out at apsaraskincare.com. There are so many other remedies, home remedies that you will find on the website, as well as lots of information about all Apsara products. So I really hope you enjoyed this remedy. I had fun showing it to you. Make it for yourself and tell me in comments below what you thought. Up until the next time, take care, go natural, it is good karma.